and welcome to our journey. Today we will be traveling the world's ocean and visiting distant and not so distant islands. Let's begin our journey. Our first stop is a small set of islands, and a clue for its location can be seen in this continental coastline here. This set of islands is in the Atlantic Ocean. Any guesses? Let's see. These clues are typical sites, what you would see as a visitor to this set of islands. There is beautiful waters. There are lovely sandy beaches. Let's see if your guesses are right. The answer is the Republic of Cape Verde. It's an island country, and it's located off the western African coast in the Atlantic Ocean. And although the name suggests it's a country that is green and lush, it actually isn't. It's volcanic and fairly flat and sandy. Our next stop in our journey is one little bit larger island. It's a little bit closer to home. And a clue to its location is possibly seen in this coastline. But if you haven't guessed it yet, I'm sure you will with the next group of photos. These photos, once again, are typical attractions that would be seen when visiting this site. This is sure to give it away. And if you haven't guessed it yet, then certainly the fall foliage here or the touristy beaches might give you a clue. Let's see if you're correct. The answer is, of course, Nantucket, which is 30 miles south of Cape Cod. And Nantucket is off the coast of Massachusetts in the United States. Let's continue on to our next destination. This small set of islands is in the Pacific Ocean, so we've done some traveling. We were in the Atlantic, and a clue to its location could possibly be seen in this coastline. But if you're not able to guess from these photos, certainly these tourist attractions will give you more clues. The wildlife, as seen here and here, are typically what bring tourists to this location. Let's see if you guessed correctly. The answer is the Galapagos Islands. And the Galapagos Islands are volcanic islands. They are in the Pacific Ocean, and like it says here, wildlife is its most notable feature, and that's what brings the tourists. This set of islands will be probably easy to guess for you because of the shape of the islands. We've traveled through the Pacific Ocean, and we are once again closer to home. If you don't have a guess from that, let's look at these typical tourist attractions. The beautiful skylines, the beautiful horizons, and of course, the answer is the Hawaiian Islands. The Hawaiian Islands are 8 major islands, numerous smaller islands, and undersea seamounts. And the Hawaiian Islands used to be called the Sandwich Islands. We have one final destination on our tour today. This island is a little bit closer to home again, and a clue to its existence could possibly be seen in this coastline here. That might look familiar to you. These are typical sites, typical sunsets, palm trees. Let's see if you guessed correctly. The answer is Hispaniola. Hispaniola is in the Caribbean, and it is containing 2 sovereign states, the states of the Dominican Republic and Haiti. It's located between Cuba and Puerto Rico, and it's the 22nd largest island in the world. That concludes our journey today. Thank you for sailing with me.